Today I'm with my friend.
Hello.
And yeah, we're gonna be rating each other's fidgets because she's the only person I literally know in my neighborhood that has fidgets. So yeah. Okay, so who's gonna go first?
Well, I guess me.
Okay.
So I guess you gave.
Okay, so wait.
It's like the best poppet ever. It's a
So
bow
this is
poppet.
the pop. It's a poppet. It's a bow poppet. I traded it with her since I'm nice. Because I'm kind of scared to change out my fidgets, but she said that I could that she will keep them in good condition. So
And just in case if we want to do a trade back.
yeah, just in case we want to do a trade back too. So obviously this is my poppet. It's a 10 out of 10 for me. Yeah. Next.
It's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Yep. Okay, next.
Fender spinner dimpled. I didn't wash because the one that you did wash was bad.
Okay, next is this. Wait, do you mind holding the camera for a sec?
Wow.
Just so I can.
God.
So I can.
Okay. All right.
There. Wait.
Yeah, I can see it. Hey, it's on the good side. Okay.
So that's the bad side, and this is the good side.
Yeah.
For some reason, it has paw prints on it. I don't know why.
It's a fidget spinner dimple.
It spins pretty good, doesn't it?
Unlike yours.
Hey.
Spoiler alert.
We don't talk about that. Okay. So I rate this a good 8.5 out of 10. What was that? Change this fidget.
Wait, okay.
Okay. There, next, mini pop tubes. Oh my god, stop. Okay. So I rate this a 10 out of 10. I love mini pop tubes. They're so cute, right?
Can you look it out the frame a little bit? Because,
There.
your face is about to show.
Oh my god, jeez. What are you doing? Okay, you know what? I'll just hold the camera
Okay.
for it easier. So wait, put it down here. It's easier. So yeah, that's
Pop tube.
10 out of 10. I
It's
love
a mini
it.
pop tube.
Yeah, it's mini pop tube. Everyone loves mini pop tubes, don't you think? Okay, next I'm gonna move my water bottle because it's kind of weird. Okay, next fidget. Oh my god, it's rolling away. Okay, wait, whatever, never mind. Okay, yes, butterfly nibble. I love this.
She tried to offer for it, but I kept on declining.
Yeah, I tried to offer for it. But
Heartbreaker. I actually, in school, I actually broke a boy's heart.
that's kind of sad, dude.
I'm a heartbreaker, okay?
Oh, this is the side. Oh yeah. Everyone loves butterfly. Oh my god, stop. Okay, I really like this. This is really good. Oh my god, 10 out of 10 again. Actually, I'm gonna be really strict. 9.5 because it's really good. But I'm trying to be strict. Let's let the butterfly fly away.
Okay, next.
Give me the next. Come on, give me it.
Go.
Off-brand dimple.
I mean, it's so good.
Yeah, it's just off-brand. You know, it doesn't have the official dimple logo.
But it's so good.
Yeah, it's still good.
For off-brand dimple, it's really good.
Juliana, the popping is like really interrupting my video right here. So.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Cool. Okay.
Give me that dimple back.
Okay, yeah, I'll give you a dimple back. 10 out of 10. Too good. I'm gonna scoot my chair closer. Oh no,
Ready?
don't throw it. Okay, wait, I'll catch it. Oh yeah, that's kind of good. It was in frame. So I'm gonna scoot my chair a little bit. There we go.
Oh my god, where's this a massive for my shoe?
Okay. This is like a really bad side. This is like the really bad side.
Yes, it's a terrible one.
Well, it's not bad.
I can't believe I tried to make you offer for it.
I mean, it's not like bad, but it's not good either. Okay, yeah, that was the really bad side. Now this is the good side, sort of. By the way, some of her fidgets are really dirty, so don't mind that.
Yeah.
Okay,
Even outside for...
decent 7.5 out of 10.
What do you mean decent 7.5?
That's decent, like, right? And then wait a minute. Over here are some emojis that I gave her. Or well, she traded.
It's resting on the butterfly.
Yeah.
As the butterfly flies away. What do you rate it?
20 out of 10. That's too cute. Okay, next.
Ooh. Okay, this thing.
Oh, her so-called gummy bear thing.
It's a pop.
And her so-called gummy bear puppet. I mean, it's like fine, but like I thought it would be in the shape of a gummy bear, not just gummy bears printed on it. And look, it's not even printed on the back. Okay, and this is the good side, the one that doesn't have any print on it. 5 out of 10. Like I don't even see the gummy bears too, so it's kind of
Okay,
like.
you ready?
Wait, we already rated that one though.
Oh, okay. What about this? Dun, dun,
Oh my God, it rolled. Okay. 4th of July dimple, not dimple. 4th of July marble and mesh. Marble and mesh is a classic.
Wait, hold on. What if they made a pop to dimple?
How does that even work?
Well, like you have the dimples on top, then the actual pop
Okay,
too.
wait, that makes sense. No joke, that makes sense. Okay, wait, there's no way.
It'd be like a fake, very fake, dumb, simple dimple.
Yeah, that'd be. Stop. Okay, so this. Okay, so 4th of July marble and mesh, classic. 8 out of 10. Next.
By the way, this isn't all my fidgets. This is just
Yeah.
the ones I bought.
Oh yeah, this is the ones that she brought because she can't bring her entire fidget drawers to my garage.
Yeah,
So.
it's big.
Yeah. Oh my God. Okay, so the thing that I traded to her, it's really bad, and I just got it for marble and mesh.
Oh, by the way,
it's really bad.
this
5 out of 10.
This my cousin really loves this puppet just because it's gummy bear.
Wow.
I should
fine.
face.
No, you can't show your face.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you rate? This squishy.
Oh my God, I really like this squishy, no joke. It's supposed to be a turtle, but she ripped off
The limbs.
The limbs. I really like this. 10 out of 10. It's the best squishy.
This brand new. Hold on, can we show them the wall? How's the
Oh my God. Okay, wait. We're gonna go to the wall because she's showing off how sticky it is.
All right.
Oh wait. She has to get a good. Oh yeah, there we go. It's really sticky. Just like slap it onto the wall. Wait, I can do it. Wait. It's really sticky, guys. Definitely.
Reach over to another neighbor. Hey,
Oh my God.
how you
Stop.
doing?
Stop. Okay. So. Okay, this is the monkey needle that This is the monkey needle that she traded with me, and then she said that she really wanted back, but I wouldn't trade back because there was no trade backs. And then, I think it is trade backs. And then I really liked it, and then I gave it to her for free since her birthday's coming up. So guys, wish her happy birthday in your head because I don't think you can comment for some reason. I don't know how to disable
Well, if you
that.
can comment, you can comment.
Yeah,
Well,
if you can comment.
Comment happy birthday.
Yeah, just comment her happy birthday. Okay, yeah.
And your favorite cat
Next.
emoji.
And your favorite cat emoji. Okay.
My favorite one is
Wow.
the depressed one.
The what?
The depressed one. Or the
Hmm.
sleep deprived one. So let me get this stupid thing over with.
Okay, so this monkey noodle, the 2 out of 10. I don't like it whatsoever. Next.
Can we move on to your fidgets?
No, we haven't done all your fidgets yet that you have right now. We need to do we need to do 3 more, I think.
That's all my fidgets.
No, we didn't do the triple and the hand and the hand.
Okay.
We didn't do the triple and the hand. Oh, and so this is like a tiny dimple thing.
It's like a one dimple. It's like a one.
She says that this is her favorite, but
Right.
okay, I really like this one too. Honestly, like I used to think that it's bad, but I kind of like it now. So I'm gonna give it 8.8. 9.8 out of 10. Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yes. Next.
Triple dimple.
Triple double 10 out of 10. I love this. Wait, this is the bad side. This is the good side. Oh, it's so good. And it came with the pack with like all her other dimples for like $5.
It was actually $5 on Amazon.
Yeah,
Or
jeez,
eBay.
I need to get this. Okay. Next, hand poppet.
I'm going to be popping your poppet.
Oh my God. Okay.
It's really good, and I love it so much. I snatched your.
I know you snatched my owl. Okay.
I snatched everything.
Yeah. Hey, stop. Okay, wait, you have to sort it out. Okay, this poppet, I mean, it's a hand, but for some reason it bothers me how it's pink and there are no pink hands in the world. I mean, it's pretty big.
And less baby hands.
I think I'll give it a 8 out of 10. Okay, that's all your fidgets. Not mine, yay. So guys, maybe...
Let me give back all your fidgets.
Yeah. Some of the fidgets, like, you guys haven't seen yet because I haven't done a haul. So, quick haul thing, which is going to be in my next video. Wait.
Okay.
That's mine.
This.
Okay, wait.
Wait, I'm reading.
Oh, yeah. Right.
Okay, so this, I absolutely love it. I've been trying to offer for it, but it's not for trade.
It's too good. It's too good.
I can't stop playing with it. Okay, I love it. Put this to the side.
Put that in my side.
This, I was playing with it a couple of seconds ago.
Yeah, that's true.
It's
Show it to the camera, geez. Okay, there. You kind of have to do it, like, over here.
Okay, is that good?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, it's really good. I rate it a 10 out of 10.
Okay, next.
Should we do the bow poppet because it's kind of yours?
But we already did it.
Oh, okay.
Next. Wait, put the opposite side so we don't take it again after.
Okay. This owl poppet. Oh, this owl poppet?
It's upside down.
Oh, okay. This
Yeah, which I show you guys in my previous video. Go watch that if you haven't.
Cool. Guys, make sure to like, follow, and subscribe,
and
hit that bell.
Like, follow, and subscribe. What the heck? Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe, and make sure to hit that bell button. Don't actually, it's annoying. Okay.
Wait a minute. That one color changes.
Yeah, it's a color change.
Like I saw,
some poppet.
like you said in like my like how I said in my last video.
Okay.
What do you rate
I love
it?
it.
What do you rate
10
it?
out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Okay.
No.
No. It's mine. Come on. You gotta get this moving.
Hello Kitty poppet.
Love it.
Okay, that's mine.
No, it's you.
It's mine now. It's mine now. I rate it a 10 out of 10 just because it's Hello Kitty, and this bow is kind of squishy because it's like there.
It has nothing in this, so that makes it squishy apparently.
You see that fish imprint?
Yeah. I should have been there. Oh my god. I think it's because cats eat fish. But like I've never seen Hello Kitty in my life eat fish.
I know.
Okay,
Okay.
bro. Okay.
I mean, imagine going to a seafood restaurant and be like, hey, I would like some raw fish.
Ew, it's kind of sus. Okay, next.
This infinity cube.
Which she doesn't have, so she's trying to make me offer, but she's trying to offer for it, but no way. I love it.
Okay, hold on. How do you do the thing? I mean, it comes apart. Oh, here it is.
There's like an opening.
All right.
Yeah, it comes apart. How cool. Oh.
Okay.
It's
Let's
not that
actually work
hard.
with me. Actually work with me today. Okay.
And then it comes apart.
And then you make this.
Lol. Okay.
Hi. Bye.
Okay.
That was my mom.
Yeah. Okay.
How do we put this back together?
I taught you.
Okay.
I'm just gonna pull out the next picture.
All right, let's just seal this later.
Yeah.
This.
Oh my god. It's a pop tube. Show them the pop tube on your lap. There. See guys, now I'm gonna have to put together this thing. Ugh, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. 10 out of 10. What do you rate it? Nice.
Well, actually, 9.5 out of 10.
9.5. Okay.
Just because how loud
It's
it
loud.
is.
Yeah. But I really like that color. Okay, next. Second pop tube.
Other pop tube.
I'm trying to put this back together with one hand. No, it's rolling away. Okay, never mind.
Bye, homie.
Okay. Next. Come on, we gotta make this quicker.
I'm sorry.
What do you rate it?
I rate it a 5.
5. Oh, rude.
Okay.
Oh my god, it's gonna roll.
In a dark heart poppet.
Love it. It's literally the best. It's the best on earth. No joke.
I tried to offer for it because they have a heart poppet.
No.
This is
Oh.
all. Oh.
Okay, so
Um,
yeah, keep on going.
okay,
going.
this fidget spinner dimple.
It doesn't spin well because I washed it.
Yeah, because
That was
everybody
kinda
was playing with it
It's kind of
yesterday.
stupid of me, but it's okay.
Her
I still like
mochis.
it. My mochis? Glow in the dark mochis that my brother sold to me.
Yeah.
Traded
Oh
too.
my god, I can't believe it.
What?
Let me open this.
These are my favorite mochis.
Okay, I'm not gonna get them dirty. I'm just gonna hold
Good. The moose, the blue moose.
the blue cute
Mouse. Mouse.
mouse.
The dog. It's a dog. And like, wait. Look at the dog for a second, guys. The outline is a bone. I don't know if you noticed, but the outline is literally a bone.
I know, it's so cute. And
But-
I rate that one a 10 out of 10. I rate the moose a 10 out of 10. This I had a mochi. I had a mochi like this.
But like, it had a face on
Yeah.
it, and then the sun it wiped off.
Yeah, it wipes off very easily. So I
Okay,
rate
guys.
that
Wait,
one.
guys. I think we're gonna have to do a part 2
Yeah.
because I gotta go.
Okay. Bye.
Or well, like, okay. So make sure
Bye.
hit that subscribe button,
Button.
and yeah,
The
bye.
bell. Bye.